Welcome to the world of DataStage. Think of it as your personal data superhero, swooping in to integrate, process, and transform data with super speed. With parallel processing, it doesn't just walk, it runs. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding wizard. Its graphical interface makes life easy. Let's dive deeper. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine setting up a project without the headache of manual clicks. Yes, QuickAdd does that. It's your shortcut to efficiency, skipping the boring stuff and getting you straight to action. Less errors, more productivity, and fewer moments of frustration. As if only life had a QuickAdd button too. Before jumping in, let's make sure all doors are unlocked, because no one likes hitting roadblocks. Check your access, configure those databases, and don't forget permissions. Think of it like prepping for a road trip. You wouldn't leave without fuel, right? Let's get everything set so we can cruise smoothly. Time to officially launch DataStage Administrator. Just like logging into your favorite app, enter your credentials and double-check that you're in the right workspace. Oh, and don't skip verifying the settings. Because surprises are great, but not when they involve unexpected system issues. Using QuickAdd is like fast-forwarding through the mundane steps of project setup. Just fill in the basics, define components, and before you know it, boom, your project is ready to go. No lengthy setups, just smooth sailing. Now, if only meal prep was this easy. Project settings are where you fine-tune things, like adjusting the volume on your playlist for the perfect vibe. Define permissions so everyone knows their role, set logging for tracking progress, and make sure those error handling mechanisms are ready. Because if something goes wrong, we need a plan. Finally, let's connect the dots, your data sources, transformation logic, and destinations. Think of it as setting up a travel itinerary. Where is your data coming from? What stops will it take? And where will it end up? With optimized data flow, you'll be running a tight ship. All right, let's talk about setting up user roles and permissions. First, you need to define roles based on responsibilities, because we all know chaos happens when everyone has access to everything. Assign permissions carefully, keeping security in mind. Use role-based access control to streamline operations. And don't forget to review and update roles regularly, because nothing stays the same forever. Imagine working for hours only to lose everything. Nightmare, right? Always save your work frequently. Use validation tools to catch issues early. Double-check for errors and inconsistencies, because small mistakes can create big headaches. Finally, ensure compliance with standards unless you enjoy fixing last-minute issues. Troubleshooting, aka the art of turning panic into solutions. Start by identifying the problem systematically. Then use debugging tools like a detective. Check logs for errors, they often contain the answers you need. And hey, don't be afraid to seek help if needed. Even the best problem solvers need backup. Project management is a delicate balance of planning, execution, and avoiding chaos. First, plan before executing. It saves you from future headaches. Set realistic deadlines. Wishful thinking won't get the job done. Communicate clearly, because misunderstandings lead to messes. And finally, monitor progress regularly, because nobody likes unexpected surprises. Speed is king. Optimize performance by using efficient data transformations. Reduce unnecessary processing, because wasting time isn't an option. Optimize database queries to make operations smoother. And of course, monitor system performance so small inefficiencies don't turn into major roadblocks. Deploying jobs is exciting, but only if everything works. First, test before deployment because surprises are great for birthdays, not projects. Automate repetitive tasks to save time and effort. Monitor job execution to catch issues early. And always ensure logging for troubleshooting. Future you will thank you. We've covered a lot today. And to wrap up, remember the key takeaways. Encourage best practices because good habits lead to great results. Address any remaining concerns and always look for future improvements. The best projects evolve with time. That's a wrap. Thank you all for your time. Feel free to ask any questions, no matter how tricky. I encourage further discussions and am happy to provide additional resources. Let's keep the conversation going. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.